Hey, my name is Michelle Cunningham. Wanted to film a quick video. It's a very big deal. I want to thank the team at Be Known because literally my new car, I'm going to show you in a second. This car I could not have had, I could not have driven, I could not have gotten, I could have nothing. No, I would have nothing to do with this car without the team at Be Known. And so I call this my Be Known car. Because I don't know, 7 months ago, 8 months ago, it wasn't long ago, I hired them to help me with my marketing because I just want to make videos and I want to help people in network marketing. Okay, that's what I do. And so I hired them and they were like, yeah, we can help you, we think. And then they did. And then they're like, you need to launch a course. So I made a course and I did what they told me to do. And then we launched it. And then a lot of money came in. And I was like, ho. Okay. And they have just changed my life. And so anyway, I was due for a new car. Okay. So I was like, I'm not going to go drive my dream car because, that's a splurge. And I just like to shop at Target. I like to keep it real. I'm just a very simple girl. I'm not going to go drive my dream car. Not going to do it. And then I was like, no. I am going to drive my dream. I'm going to go test it out. I'm just going to test it out, but I can't afford that, so I am not getting that car. So I go and test the RX 350L. That's right. The RX 350L Lexus, okay? We're not talking Lamborghini, but we're talking that's my dream car of my whole life, okay? My kids are like, let's get a minivan. I'm like, no, mommy really likes this car, okay? Now, the L on it means it has a third row, right? So I don't have to drive a minivan, okay? So I decide, okay, I drive it. I fall so much in love with the car. Come inside, okay? It is smooth like butter, leather interior, smooth. Look at this car, okay? Oh yeah, with the third row, okay? So I test drive it and I'm like, you know what? I'm not going to buy it. It's going to be a splurge. I can't afford it. And and then I checked my bank account from the new course that they had helped me to launch. This was a new course that launched in the last week. And I realized that I had made enough money in the last 21 days to fully pay for the car. And I was like, you know what? Maybe I could afford this car. My brain can't wrap itself around the money that comes in now. Do you know what I mean? And I'm still operating as poor me. And poor me can't afford a nice car like this. But I was like, you know what? In 21 days, I made enough to buy this car. So I think I'm good. I think I can get the car. And so I call this the Be Known car. Because not something I was driving. Oh, don't you love it? I'm so fancy now. I love my car. So anyway, I just want to thank you guys. I gotta drive to Tennessee. I gotta take you guys for a ride in the Be Known car because it's fabulous. So fabulous.